Back, Resourceful Living, Homestead. As you can tell, it's that time of year again. Look behind me. It's time to get sighted in, make sure the bow's good. I am terrible. I preach practice, 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 practice. I haven't pulled this bow out since last season. Shame on me. I guess not doing anything with it. What we have here is a failure to communicate with my bow. It's terrible. Let's see. What do we got? Oh yeah, still got the broadheads. Gonna have to get rid of those. Get into my box. Sure, we've got a couple of field tips to use. And let's uncover the beast. It is a Mathews Helium. It is not a new bow, by no means. Compared to the standards they basically got now, they're a whole lot lighter, faster. Well, not really a whole much faster, but this one's pretty fast. Let's get the tip swapped. Golly, this thing's dirty. That's what I get for not taking it out, taking care of it. Get a release out. Got the tip swapped. And we'll see how bad this looks. My bow, release. Kind of nervous putting this out there for the world to see. I haven't played with this enough. Well, at all since last season. Okay. Well, that ain't a good sign. I can't even tell where I hit. Let's just put another one down there. Oh, we must go see. First time picking it up since last season. Good grief. Well, I am going to say it is not the equipment. If I miss a deer, it'll be because of me. The bow is still performing really well. I'll play around with it some more. Trust me, we got season coming up next weekend, but not too bad for just pulling it out of the case.
And that wraps up this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch more of our videos.